Repeat, मैं शुरू करता हूँ. So, Dr. Rajendra Prasad, Ophthalmic Center, is supposed to be the most premier center in India. So, हमारा ये जो आज आपका launch है, do they have that facility there? Or are we one up on the AIIMS?
Yes. So coming to All India Institute of Medical Sciences, it is definitely the pinnacle, the center, like in terms of tertiary eye care for clinical care, teaching and research. And definitely there are all the latest advanced diagnostics and surgical modalities available at AIIMS. And we are so glad and proud that we as a team, most of us are trained from RP Center, AIIMS. And it's again a joy that we carry the same things, the same expertise as well as the technology. So you can consider it on par with AIIMS.
Yeah, I think I've met in my journey in the last 30-40 years, I met a lot of people from Maulana Azad and AIIMS, and now they're working in, say, Artemis. I've seen. We've been coming here, हम लोग 2 साल से आ रहे हैं, तो हम लोग देख रहे हैं a lot of doctors in orthopedics and cardiac, everybody. They're all having their experience at AIIMS. Last question before we end up is about जो सर ने बोला, Dr. Vishal Arora ने, about the dilation.
Yeah.
Normal, he says, 60 to 80 minutes लगते हैं, तो उसका बारे में थोड़ा सा बता दें. इसको without the, you don't need to dilate the pupil.
Yeah, so whenever patient comes for a fundus checkup, जब हमें रेटिना चेकअप करना होता है या हमें ऑप्टिक नर्व को डिटेल में देखना होता है, हम पेशेंट को डायलेट कराते हैं. मतलब कि हम वो मिडरियाटिक आई ड्रॉप्स डालते हैं एंड every 10 minutes 3 times, and वो प्रोसेस होता है जब आइरिस को डायलेट करने में, it takes around 30 to 40 minutes. So with the availability of this advanced machines, जो हमारे पास जो OCT with the fundus camera जो advanced technology है, it can capture the images even within a 2 to 3 millimeters pupil. मतलब कि आम का जो pupil जब सबसे छोटा भी रहता है, उसके थ्रू भी, because the optics is so advanced in the camera, we can just capture it even in the non-dilated state.
So it gives you, it's saving on time.
It saves the patient's time, and जहाँ पे patients, कुछ patients में जब drug allergy रहती है, जैसे कि वो drops हम use नहीं कर सकते, तो it gives a big advantage in those case scenarios.
And this optic is for all age groups, starting with the kids, बच्चों से लेके और
Yeah, even the kids can, where it is required, yes, we can use it. It all depends upon the age of the patient and sometimes their cooperation levels. But yes, because the acquisition times, जितना time लगता है उसको capture करने में, it is much faster. अगर पहले 5 मिनट लगते हैं, इसमें 2 से 3 मिनट में capture होता है. So even बच्चों में भी it can capture the images easily.
Right. So आपका बहुत-बहुत धन्यवाद.
Thank you.
Dr. Srilata, I think she is one of the surgeons. She's an eye surgeon. तो आप लोग इधर आइए, इनसे मिलिए and get yourself eyes examined. Thank you.
Thank you.